video now? It's okay, he's doing it. Oh, wicked. He's sticking his thumb up to you, mate.
This is crazy.
Oh, that is so nice. Isn't it? Beautiful, darling. Beautiful.
I want to see the whole thing go by.
Okay, it's okay, it's fine. We've got all the time in the world for you. Love it. I think we even gave you a little bit then, man.
Probably a different one.
No, you see. Did you see Whitey's sticky salty and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. You probably got it on video anyway.
Yeah. I see another freight train.
Really nice. A lot of freight in there.
Yep. Freight trains are so long.
I really see this like stop at every station. Empty track.
I want to be on that flatbed right now.
Still going. It's gonna be forever. One little carry on.